Currently, we're gonna go ahead and work on it slowly, you know, as much as we could. We've just been real busy with customers' car and all that, but we're gonna try to dedicate a few hour a week or something into developing this kit for it. So, but we started, we looked it over, and I think we figured out exactly what we're gonna
Exactly what we're gonna do,
to
yeah.
make it a little bit easier. And instead of like the one that we just did, that was the full-on custom.
That's full
stuff,
custom, yeah. Full
So,
custom.
but this one here that we're trying to develop is going to be a little bit easier to do.
More friendly, right? Yep.
A lot more. So we're going to be using pretty much a lot of the stock stuff here, like this example right here. This whole rear end right here, the straight axle.
We're gonna keep that.
We're going to keep. That's the plan, is to keep this.
That's nice. So they make it in the back, right? Kick back a little bit. The more to fit.
No, we don't have to kick back. This has to sit. We had to take off. We won't be using the leaf spring.
Leaf spring's gone.
It's gone. Yeah, we're going to eliminate that completely from the equation, because if you look right over here,
Let me go in here.
if you look at right over here, when the leaf spring it hits here, there's no way around it. I mean, it's going to hit.
Yeah.
So we got to get rid of that. So that's the first thing that we had to do. But what we're planning on doing, okay, how we're going to stabilize this and all that. So we're going to build something here to go up around here, then go down, hooks on to the front one right here. So that's going to do it on both sides. That's going to hold it. And then and then the shock here, this has to be removed, of course, because when you know, going up and down with it, because when we install something here, it's going to hit.
Yeah.
So that could be gone. It's really just a bumper stop. That's all this is. So that's going to be gone, so you can have more travel. This right here, we're going to move this back on over here, but that's going to use a coilover system on here.
Like when the Mustang setup, they
Exactly.
custom setup.
Yeah, so we're going to do it back here, so the travels is a little bit, you know, longer, you know what I mean, than just a little small here. So we're going to do it here. And then, and that's to get this arm and everything all done. So once that's done, then we're going to go and actually start working on the mount kit for this. And it's going to be straightforward. I mean, this, the way that it sits here, it needs to go a little bit higher. We can't have it, have it below this. The reason,
Probably like an inch higher, right?
an inch higher, yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be like right about here. The reason why is because of the axle. You want the axle straight as, especially the axle is going to be about this short. You know?
Yeah.
You don't want it angle like this, you know, like this. You want it straight as possible, because when there's movement, it's moving only about this much, you know. So this has to be up no matter what. And if you want to put build a cover for it or whatever it is, or we even might build cover, so we don't know yet.
Yeah, so they can get every.
Yeah, they do
everything they want. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So right here, we're gonna make a mount that goes onto here. The mount itself, we'll make something here with the mount here. The bracket here is gonna come up, that it's gonna hold the mount here. Okay. On this side here is the same thing. If you look underneath here,
You can stick your hand down there.
yeah, under here,
Yeah.
we'll make the mount hold onto here, and then this will be the new bracket that's gonna come up and
bolt,
bolts onto
right
the mount.
there.
Yeah. And then on this back here,
For the flex.
for the back, there's actually
the
a
exhaust.
mounting right here already. Okay, so this is going to be our mounting spot, but we're going to make a mount. We're going to make a mount because it's too close to exhaust. So we're going to make a mount. We're going to
Remove that mount.
Here. Yeah,
Yep.
move it over to here, but the mounting point's there. So the mount's going to be here, and then our T bracket is going to hook up onto here.
Okay.
So that's how it is. That's where we are. We're starting to 3D some stuff. We're making some stuff right now for this right here. We have some stuff 3D put it out so we can bolt it down just to make sure that
everything's
fits in,
good.
and then we'll get some pipe bent for us, because the way that this is gonna go, I'll show you. Just imagine this is gonna have like a kind of like a joint here. It's adjustable. Just imagine it on here like this. This is what's gonna hold. Of course, it's gonna be flexed up, you know.
Yep.
It's gonna be bent up like here and going up to clear the tranny, and it's gonna come down. But when you have it, this is gonna be bolted up like this.
Okay.
So this is what's
Kind of like a trailing arm.
Basically, that's all that is.
Yep.
It's just a real trailing arm. but instead of using the leaf spring that holds it,
Yeah.
this is how we're gonna do it. And then from the back, we're gonna make it like kind of like a traction going backward, so it doesn't move.
Smooth.
So.
There goes the leaf springs. Oh,
Yep.
so yeah, guys.
So guys, just be patient.
Please.
We figure, hey, you know, if we keep working on it a couple hours a week, we could have it done.
It'll be completed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So we're moving forward with it. And we're going to try to make it as easy as possible. You know, even the shifter cable and all that, we'll try to make a bracket for it.
Yeah.
So you can use your stock shifter.
Just yeah, basically.
Yeah, so
just,
that's how we
we're
just
trying to make
do it.
everything bolt up.
Yeah,
Bolt up.
and then as far as radiator, we might just get some radiator made instead of that, just for this.
Just for this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
All right, guys. So as you guys know, we personally have a Kswap Acty, which is way custom, high compression, all motor.
You don't need that in these trucks.
Yeah, you don't need it because these come with what? How much? 40 horsepower?
What's that?
How much horsepower these come with?
I
Like,
don't know, dude. Not enough. Probably 30.
more guys. So
More than that, but it's, yeah. With the torque and all that and everything, it's just a depth chart. But
yeah,
I
it's just a
understand.
fun car. It's not a car to like full on race, guys. If you're gonna do that, then it's a whole nother process. But Kswap is a good thing for this Kswap for the Acty. So that's good. That's good.
Maybe maybe later on we might just do like maybe a D series. Make a D series.
One
kit
for D
this.
series, yeah.
Because I think the D series might sit a little bit lower too. In the
Okay.
case. So
Nice.
if someone's looking for like an option, hey, I want to do a D series, but then again, you have to figure out the shifter part of it, you know. So with this one, this is cable already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we didn't break our promise. A lot of stuff we promised, but we can't really act on them because it takes a lot of money, guys. You already know. A lot of money, a lot of time, and everything. Most thing is time. We don't have that much time.
If you guys
so
got any suggestion, you know,
Let us know.
Let us know. Yeah, I mean, it might be a great idea. Say, hey, why don't you try it this way? And then we could tell you if we think it might not work, and then if it works, hey, we appreciate it.
works,
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this, by just looking at this all day long, studying and all that and everything, I think this is, and also trying to make a full kit.
a full kit, yeah.
Yeah, not just a one-off. Yeah, one-off is easy, you know, but
Full everything, radiator,
do
everything,
one,
shifter,
yeah,
tranny,
exactly,
yeah,
yeah.
everything. So
makes it a little bit
So-
harder. That's what the challenging part of it is. Like, okay, what do we need to do to mass produce it? You know, like
Exactly.
nobody wants to all kinds of stuff. It's like that's just you know,
So just bear with us, guys. We're on a track now, so you can ask every now and then, but yeah, it's coming. You know,
Yeah.
we get the ball rolling now. So
And for the people that keep asking about the CB7, the Accord, it's done. The Accord is done, but the only thing that we have to change is the arms, and it's hard trying to get some of these people to cut our stuff for us. So I know they're doing other stuff, this and that. What's more, you know, priority? We have to see, like, sometimes we run out of things, parts or stuff like that. We have to get those things out before we could, like, hey,
do stuff that's not even
stuff
wanted yet.
that-
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So,
All right, cool. All right, guys, we're here. Always innovating. S1 built.
We say we locked up, but we not feel we ashamed them, cause man future bright. Utilize my strength and use my voice. I shall be great, me not choose for fight.